What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, man, we're going to do the first mod to the BMW X5. So if you're new to the channel, man, I have a BMW X5. So we're going to be doing the first mod to this truck, man. This is my wife's truck. This is her vehicle, but I am responsible for doing all the mods to it. So today, guys, we're going up here. We're going to get these windows tinted. Y'all know that's the first thing you got to do to a vehicle when you get the windows tinted. So what I'm gonna do, man, once I get up here, I'm gonna turn this camera back on, hit the like button, subscribe. I know this is not a Dodge product, but if you rock with me, man, support the video, hit the like button, share the video, hit that notification bell, and let's get right to it. Let's go. I'm just buying my pillow right. He got a cape on. The hell? Dude, Halloween is over, bro. Look at this bind, man. I don't know if y'all can see that. What is this fool doing, bro? Little fake Batman by him or something. Hold on. What the hell? Alright, guys, we're not too far from a Dodge dealership too, so I might just sneak a dealership Saturday video in on this in this video, or I may make it a separate video. I don't know yet. But we ain't too far from the tent place, but the Dodge dealership is definitely right up the street, so we might sneak a dealership video in while we up here. Y'all gonna see it going in. Out the tent. Alright. See what it look like now with the tent. Oh yeah, that joint much better. Yes, sir. Now we gotta clean this joint up. I was gonna get the front window, but with my wife driving, I want her to be able to see, man. So hit the like button, guys. Like I say, this is a quick video. First mod to the X5.